Introduce yourself first, and
Of course.
who are you? You can start.
You start when you're ready. Okay. My name is Peter Chatfield. I'm a revert. My name is now Saeed Islam. 15 years ago I reverted. Now I'm facing death. And through the gift of the Quran, I don't fear it. It took away that fear, and I'm now approaching death quite quickly. And there is no fear. What I say to anyone who cares to hear it, and anyone who doesn't be judgmental by the news and rubbish you hear these days, I'm a Caucasian, you see, and I came from the Mushrakin. Anything is possible. Read a Quran once in your life. Once in your life, read a Quran and ask yourself if it's not the truth. Some of you won't see it, some of you will. But mashallah, you will know it. You will know if you read that book and pick it up, it is the plain and simple truth. Just to anyone who wishes to revert back to our real belief.